All right, YouTube family, back with another unboxing, and we're gonna do a quick review because this one is gonna be super easy to get through. As you can see, you're on my journey trying to become the content creator that I was born to be. So I picked up this microphone to attach to my phone so I can make better videos with higher quality sound, hopefully. So this one's gonna be easy. You can hear me talking now, talking nonsense. Um, I'm gonna unbox it, we'll attach it, and I'll talk more nonsense, but with the microphone to see if it makes a difference. This will not be a highly technical breakdown. We're just gonna use our ears. And please, I want you to comment below and let me know if you can tell the difference, if there's an improvement or if it's just a waste of money. We're gonna make that decision together as a group. So yeah, I'll be back. We're gonna start cutting this thing open and seeing what it looks like. Since we have plenty of plastic to get through, it's time to bring out Old Trustworthy. Gonna make some cuts here. Beautiful, nice and slow. Thought that was kind of quick. Let's see if I could just rip the rest of it off. Or should I continue cutting? No, this looks like it'll come right off. All right, toss that aside. Take a look at the box. Is there any tape holding this thing together? I don't know. Let's push, and no, just pushes out. Look at these. These are so cute. Look at these little guys. So let's take out one, take a look at it up close. Excellent craftsmanship. Got the USB-C input. Got a clip. The little speaker head just popped off, so I'm going to put that back on. And what else do we have in the box? Two microphones, and this should be remote control. No, this is actually a USB-C adapter, so you can connect wirelessly. And get this out the way. And what else do we have? Another USB-C to Lightning for you Apple users out there. And inside of this little box, let me take all of this out. All right, two mics are out. And then we have the user manual here inside the box. And inside this thing, see if we can open it up without tearing anything. Oh, won't be able to. And all this is a USB old school with the USB-C. All right, cool. And all right, that's for everything included in the box. When I come back, you're gonna hear me talking more nonsense through the mic. Stay tuned. Okay, everyone, I'm back speaking into the new mic. Let me know if you think there's an audio quality difference. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know if you like what I did with the video or if there's anything that I missed out on, anything you want me to showcase. If not, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.